Okay, hello everyone, what is up, and welcome to episode 2 of the speed build series in Jurassic World Evolution 2. In today's episode, we're getting into the more fun part. We're doing the exhibits for some dinosaurs, crichtonsaurus and Struthiomimus, and then allosaurus comes a little bit later. I wasn't planning on actually doing allosaurus, but I was looking back and I thought, there was some area that needed to be covered up with something interesting because there was a lot of open space. So that's what I ended up doing. At the moment, I'm just doing the fence work for the crichtonsaurus and Struthiomimus exhibit. I got rid of a lot of the path, changed up a bit just to make more space. And also, I didn't really know what else to do around the Innovation Centre, so I got rid of a lot of the path and just made it all ready for when the park fully opens. I don't have a lot to say, really, but I will go on and say that the support recently on the channel has been absolutely amazing, and I want to say thank you so much for that. If you enjoy this, I really would appreciate if you like and subscribe. And also just comment down on what you think I should do, what I should do next, any games I should try out, when I can, obviously. What dinosaurs you want me to add to the park, any specifications, and also to name our dinosaurs. We have 4 Crichtonosauruses, 3 Struthiomimuses, and 2 Allos. So let me know, what you want them to be named. I will take any suggestions. Actually, even if they're pretty stupid, One of them is going to be called Fluffy, alright? I'm going to call out one of the Allosaurus as Fluffy, so you can't, So one of the Allosaurus, you have to... you have to, name one... You can get to name one Allosaurus. Not two. Because one of them's going to be called Fluffy. This is where I go back and change a little bit over here. I put the, hatchery bay. Just so... That's not going to be there forever. As soon as, all the dinosaurs and stuff are in, that's going to be getting rid of. I was just scrolling through looking for what dinosaurs to do, because beforehand, I actually didn't know what I was gonna add, because, again, I've done no planning before, but I actually did do a little bit of planning for the Allosaurus exhibit. I was planning to do it next episode, but if I'm honest, I wanted to do more in this episode, make it a little bit longer. It's still similar length to the first one, but at least now there's a bit more interesting stuff to it, a bit of exhibit building, a bit more decorating instead of just placing buildings down and laying out paths and stuff. So it's more interesting for you, and it's more interesting for me, really. I'm just doing the terrain here at the moment. Yeah. I'm not great when it comes to exhibits, so any tips and tricks I would highly appreciate. I do watch some YouTube stuff to improve, mostly. But, I will come back probably a little bit later in the video just to explain what's going on in the Allosaurus exhibit. But for now, this is where I'm going to leave you off, and enjoy this time-lapse. Thank you. Okay, hello, I am back. I'm only going to be with you for a little bit while I talk over the Allosaurus exhibit. The Allosaurus, I wasn't planning on putting it in this episode, but it ended up coming in this episode anyway. I'm not going to talk over it much, I'm just going to explain what I did. I did a lot of, I did a bit of terrain work, if I'm honest. Just a little bit. I didn't do a load, I made a little lake around the middle, and I made also a nice, what do you call it? A nice amenity area for the guests to enjoy. I'm making the lake right now. I end up tweaking it a lot, but it ended up nice in the end. I'm gonna leave you off, and hope you enjoy the rest of this speed build. Episode 3 will probably be coming in the next few weeks. Not entirely sure, but I hope you enjoyed this, and I will see you later. And I'll leave you to enjoy the cinematics and some music. Bye bye.